This is a lateral translational manipulation for the cervical spine. Now, when applying a lateral translational manipulation to the cervical spine, we want to direct the forces in this translational direction. Now, one thing we have to be careful of is how we apply this pressure. Now, when we look at the hands, what we're going to do is we're going to take that point just distal to the second MCP. There's a little hollow right there, and it really acts as a nice pushing point that we can make contact with. Now, when we apply this contact, what we don't want to do is apply that force directly lateral. We can see the nerve roots exit the lateral cervical foramen at this level, so if we place that part of our hand directly on the nerve roots, it can be very uncomfortable. So what we want to do is we want to take that point of the hand here, place it lateral and posterior just a little bit. That way we're applying pressure more along the articular pillars, the posterior element there. So I'm going to take my hand this way, in this direction, and then I'm going to apply a lateral force. Okay, good. So I'm going to demonstrate this technique, and what we're going to do is I'm going to take that same point of contact and I'm going to apply that along the lateral portion or the posterior element of the cervical spine. So I can palpate where the transverse processes would be. I'm going to come around posterior, and that's where the posterior articular pillar would be. I'm going to take that point of my hand and place my contact here. And then I'm going to place a lateral or a straight translational movement, applying pressure through that part of my hand.